Hello and welcome to our video on financial freedom. Financial freedom is something that many of us strive for, but it can be difficult to achieve without a clear plan and strategy. In this video, we'll be discussing some key steps you can take to achieve financial freedom and live a more secure, stable, and independent life. First, let's define what financial freedom means. Essentially, it's the ability to live the life you want without being tied down by financial obligations or constraints. This includes having enough money to cover your basic needs, as well as being able to pursue your passions and goals without worrying about money. So, how can you achieve financial freedom? Here are some key steps to consider. Create a budget. The first step to achieving financial freedom is to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. This will allow you to identify areas where you can cut costs and allocate your money more effectively. Start saving and investing. Building up a solid financial foundation requires saving and investing for the future. Start by setting aside some of your income in a high-yield savings account or money market fund. You can also consider investing in stocks, bonds, or other securities to help grow your wealth over time. Pay off debt. Carrying high levels of debt can weigh you down and make it difficult to achieve financial freedom. So, it's important to work on paying off any outstanding debt as soon as possible. This may involve creating a debt repayment plan or seeking professional help if you're struggling to manage your debts on your own. Build multiple streams of income. Having multiple sources of income can help you achieve financial freedom faster. This might involve starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or finding ways to monetize your skills or hobbies. Plan for the future. Financial freedom is not just about meeting your current financial needs, but also planning for the future. This includes setting long-term financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them, as well as preparing for unexpected events such as a job loss or medical emergency. By following these steps and being proactive about your finances, you can take control of your financial future and achieve the freedom and stability you desire. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey towards financial freedom.